Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Okay, my buddy Dave Friesen owns Friesen Rentals and Hardware right here in Cedar, British Columbia. I walked into the shop and he said, hey, come have a look at this saw. Customer just brought it back. Came back with this lever right here. It's all jammed up in there. You can't shut the chainsaw off. Super easy fix. I have seen this so many times in my life that this absolutely warrants a video. I'm going to take this apart right now and show you how to fix it. It's so simple. I'll show you what happened. And then I'm going to show you why people keep doing this. It's operator error. I'll tell you that right now. Now, if you look at this little black shaft here that's attached to that lever, and then there's a little white hook under there. You see that? It just simply popped out. All you have to do is get that lever and pop it back in like that. And there's problem is solved. Now that works again. Okay? How easy is that? Now, I'm going to show you why people keep doing this. Here's how you're supposed to start this. Say that's in the off position. All four settings are in this one lever. There's off, there's on, run position, and then there's half chill or half throttle is right there, and then all the way down, you have to pull that trigger and then push the lever all the way down, let the trigger go, and now it stays on choke. Now your chainsaw fires, you want to start it now, you pop it up with your finger like that. Now it's half throttle, it'll start. Now you want to just move it up to the run position. Some people skip that altogether and just go straight to the run position. That's what I do. I never use that half throttle thing. Anyway, it's on half throttle now, and people don't pull the trigger. They try to push this up, and there's resistance there. It's not moving up to the run position. You force that up, and it pops that piece out of that little white hook that I showed you right there. Right in the owner's manual, everybody. To get it to the run position after it's running, you simply just blip the trigger, and it pops up into the run position, and now you're using it. There's off. Talk about one of the easiest fixes in history on a chainsaw. There's a few different models on it. This is an MS 170. There's few models of these chainsaws that has that same system, so pay attention to that. And I hope I helped somebody save some money out there again, some time, some frustration. That's what I'm always trying to do. Till the next video, everybody, cheers. Steve out.